A lot of the families that are moving from Auckland are moving back to their parents or grandparents because they own a home, but they don't realise that the infrastructure here and the community is already stretched and strained. But overall it does put a lot of pressure on our families, especially a lot of our elderly. So, you know, they come back to Nana and Koro and they feel aroha for their mokos, so they go, oh, kei te pai, come and move in. A lot of times we end up with our elderly that are needing attention too as well. So one of our units we've set aside for respite for a lot of our kaumātua and queer, to pull them out of that situation. We also have a number of families who are suffering from homelessness, so they do come in to see us to get some emergency housing, and actually in some of the outlying areas as well, we're having a lot of families come to us for emergency housing. And we're not talking about individuals, a lot of times we're talking about whole families, so often we get requests for a mother with 3 or 4 children. We have 5 units at the moment and we're going to build a couple more units.